is the Biolite BaseCharge 1500, a 1,521 watt-hour rechargeable portable power station that delivers your home-grade energy to your off-grid environments with unmatched usability, reliability, and safety. Central to the BaseCharge is the rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Safety certified and continuously monitored using our 12 checkpoint safety system, you can power up your network of devices with confidence. Different gear has different power requirements, and BaseCharge's plug-and-play port design is ready to invert, convert, and connect. Charge out via AC, DC, USB-A, USB-C, and high-speed USB-C PD. Or go cord-free with the included wireless charging. The Easy Read Smart Display helps you manage your energy, providing real-time dynamic readouts on the status of your BaseCharge, an advanced message center with system notifications, and an energy odometer that enables you to track your total power consumption, so you can make smart decisions about your energy usage instantly and for future situations. Charge up your unit from a standard wall outlet or USB-C PD, or combine the two for even faster charging times. You can also pair BaseCharge with the chainable Solar Panel 100 series and expand into a fully self-reliant solar generator system that is quiet, fume-free, and ready to harness the energy around you. Enabled with maximum power point tracking, or MPPT, BaseCharge captures up to 30% more power during variable sun conditions. Biolite BaseCharge comes with over 10 years of research from a team of off-grid energy experts who develop safe and dependable ways to power daily life for over 4 million individuals living without access to an outlet. Harness your energy, use your energy, understand your energy. BaseCharge 1500 puts you in control of your power for a connected and uninterrupted life off the grid, wherever you may be.